Hey everyone, this is Om from Civil Center and welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering student and professional, and for that we have started this series in Tekla Structures where we have worked on a steel project. Okay, so we have almost completed the GA drawing, and in the next three videos this whole series will be completed. So this is the third last video of this series where we are going to learn about the dimensioning. Okay, so there are basically three types of dimensioning. First one is the horizontal one, second is the vertical one, and the third is the add free dimensions. So we are going to cover up these three topics in three different videos, and today we are going to start with the horizontal dimensioning. So for that, what I'm going to do, I will just remove a few text over here that we have covered in the like last session. So if you haven't watched that session, then you can simply go ahead and watch that. Okay, I'm also going to delete a few of the levels because that is not very much required over here. And if you want to learn how you can add the levels over here, then again you can just visit the YouTube channel of Civil Center, and over there you will find each and every detail. Okay, now before coming to this horizontal dimensioning thing, if you want to join the professional training of Tekla Structures or any other software, then you can simply WhatsApp us on the number that is being shown on the screen, and our team will connect with you. So what I'm going to do over here, I will just click on the horizontal over here, which is coming in the section of the dimensioning. Okay, so go to horizontal, and over there you can just mark the dimensions like this. Okay, so all you have to do is to just move like this, and then you will have to press the scroll button of your mouse and all the dimensions will be placed. Okay, so you can see we have this format of dimension. Now if you want to make the changes, then press the escape button, or you can also go for right click and click on the interrupt button so that you can come out of any command. I've already discussed all these things in the previous videos, so you can just go ahead and learn from them also. Okay, so when you will double click on the dimension, then it will open up the dialog box for the dimension properties, and over here you can just make the changes in the dimension. So this is happening because I am using this format. Okay, so I will just turn it off for now so that you can have a proper view of this. Okay, now for the basic changes, you can simply apply it from here. The same changes are also here. Okay, so it will be better to do it from here. Like this is the relative that is being used over here, then we can also go for the absolute one, and you can see in the absolute one what happens. The format will be formed like this. Like that means the dimensions are mentioned at the ends and not in the middle, and it is like writing in the equivalent form. Like from here to here it is 4000, then we have the gap of the 4000, so that's why from 0 to this point it is 8000, from 0 to this point this is 12000, so it is taking this one as a reference coordinate. Okay, and if you will see, then this is our first grid line, that is the grid A. Okay, now like this you can simply mention all these things. Okay, now I'm going to deal with the different formats also. So over here you can see we can go ahead with the this format. So what will happen in this format, like third one. Okay, so first of all you will have to double click over here, then you can just go ahead and select this format and click on modify. So if you will go with this format, then it will show you the distances between the two grid lines, as well as you can also show the a final distance. Like from here to here it is 0 to 4000, from here 0 to here it is 8000, and the distance between these two grid lines is 4000. Okay, so like this you can simply mention the distances, and you can see there are different methods of representing it also. Like you can go with the RD, then at this level it is 4000, then this level it is 8000. So like this you can have the different types of representations also. Okay, so let's go with the next one. Okay, so let's go with this, click on modify, and you can see here instead of 0 it will write reference dimension. Okay, and it will show the vertical distances. No, it will show the horizontal distances but in the vertical format. Okay, now click on modify, and over here it will show you like this. Okay, so these are the different methods of showing the dimensions. Now we are going to deal with the other things over here. So if you have to If you had have written this in the free form, then angle would have also been worked, but this is horizontal. So this two or three things are not highlighted over here. So let's go with the short extension lines. Okay, so for the extension lines, I will have to little zoom in over here, and you can see, like, I can go with yes and click on modify. Okay, so first of all, double click on this, then click on yes and modify, and you will see the short extension lines over here. Then you can also go with no. Whatever is your choice, you can simply go over here. So this is the long extension line that you can see over here, from here to here, from tip to this point. Okay, or you can just go with yes, and it will shorten up your extension line. Okay, so now you can see this has been shortened up. Okay, so let's go with the third thing, that is the units. Okay, so over here I am using the units in mm, so it is showing up the distance in mm. Okay, so if I will just put mm, then it will show the same result, but if I'm just going to convert it to cm, then it will change the distance of foot and inches can also be changed over here. Okay, so like this you can just go ahead and mark anything that is present over here, but I will keep it automatic. Okay, so in the automatic mode I am working in mm, so it will show in mm. Now for the precision, it will going to show you what is the precise result for it. Okay, so I have taken the accurate 4000 gap, so it is showing like this, but you can also need to check it in the fractions also, you need to check it in the decimals also, so all the things can be given from here. Okay, now the next thing is the format. Okay, so in the format you can choose any format in which you want to represent all these things. Okay, so for that I will just double click over here again. Okay, so let's open up again, and over here you will see the different formats. Okay, so if it is accurate, so it is showing like this, but if there would have been some kind of decimal things over here, then it would have shown in a different way. Then there is a grouping option also. Okay, so what will happen in the grouping option, this will rearrange the things like this. Okay, so over here we have 3 lines of what we say that are equidistant at 4000, so it will write it like this. Okay, now here the minimum number to combine is 3, that's why it is happening. If we will change the minimum number to 4 and click on modify, then you will see that it is not being changed. So over here we have kept the minimum number to be 3, that's why it is changing like this. Okay, now I can also make it no and click on modify, because I don't personally like to write in that format. Okay, so I will just turn it off. You can also see that you have the various things to work on also, this will be another method of representing it. So combine equal groups will be have the different option of representations. So right now I'm just turning it off so that I can see where are the distances. Okay, now the next thing is, yeah, so next thing is dimension line spacing. So if you want to put some kind of a space over there, then you can also go like that. If you will just use these two options, yeah, inside and outside, these are the very important options over here. So over here, if I will go with the outside also and click on modify, then you will see there is no big difference that is being visible over here, because this is quite a long distance. Okay, so you will not see any kind of visibility over here. But if I will just take up the dimension for this place, okay, so let's take a horizontal dimension from this end to this end. Okay, so you can see we have a dimension over here at 160. Okay, now if I will just double click on it and I will just keep it here. Okay, so you can see these are the distances that are present. Now if I will just click on outside and click on apply, outside and modify, then you can see the distance is showing outside this whole gap. Okay, so here for the small distances this will work, for the large distances it will not work. Okay, now you can see what are the different options that are present over here in the dimensioning file. Okay, so I'm just going to show you something. Like this is the appearance. Okay, so I guess this is a lot for this video. We will talk about the appearance and the vertical dimensions in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.